This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by opening iMovie and creating or selecting the project you want. Once the project is ready, import your photos directly into the timeline. Make sure each photo has a little handle at both ends so you can trim if needed. Then, open iMovie Preferences and disable any automatic image adjustments. This prevents the app from auto-cropping or color-correcting images. Once done, position the first photo where you want and prepare to change the Ken Burns behavior. Next, select a photo in the timeline and click the cropping tool. This is where iMovie applies Ken Burns by default. Choose Fit to preserve the entire image without any zoom versus Crop or Ken Burns, which animate the image. If you need a specific framing, set the start and end frames manually, but remember Fit keeps the image static. Once you understand the setting, you can batch select several photos and apply Fit to all at once, which saves time on longer projects. Now preview the timeline from start to finish and watch for any unintended zoom or pan. If Fit creates side black bars because of aspect mismatch, adjust photo duration or use Crop to fill the frame while avoiding Ken Burns animation. Make sure there are no keyframe transforms applied to the clip. Open the video overlay and transform controls to verify. If zoom persists, recheck preferences and restart iMovie. Often a restart clears lingering auto settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.